Now then, Douglas McMaster reporting for the Zero Waste Cooking School. Today we're getting salty with some sexy seaweed in a noodle salad, topped off with a shimmering pornographic egg yolk. Here we have two of the varieties of the seaweed. This is Dulce and this is sea lettuce. They are both dried and harvested by hand from my friends at the Cornish Seaweed Company. These pouches you can order and they are completely compostable. Seaweed is a supernatural force that will save the planet. It's responsible for between 80 and 90% of the oxygen produced on Earth. It's an alternative to plastic, well it's getting that way. It's a medicine, it's a biofuel, and it's trucking delicious. Seaweed rocks. So cracking on with our recipe, we're going to crack open some eggs to acquire the yolk, and all we're doing is taking the white away and then popping it straight into the soy. So basically you want to leave your egg yolks in the soy for about 6 to 12 hours, and it's basically a cured egg. You're curing it in the salty soy magic. When your eggs are good and ready, the remainder of the dish takes a pinch of time. So we're going to just boil some water for our noodles. So we're just going to cook the noodles until they're tender, refresh it in some cold water, and then we're going to pickle the seaweed. So you want to bring the water, vinegar and sugar up to a boil, turn it off, and then just pop the seaweed in. If your seaweed is long and tangled, put it on a chopping board and just give it a quick slice. Now to finish our noodle salad, we take the chilled noodles, make sure all the water is dripped away, whack it in the bowl. I'm not going to toast this sesame, I like it raw. We're going to put 2 of the fudgy egg yolks throughout the mixture. Creates a really cool glossy finish. Salt, pop your seaweed in. Now to plate up the noodle salad, take one of your umami orbs and then just pop it right on top. This is the kind of dish that I would like to eat every single day. It's simple, sexy, super natural. If you wanted to cook this dish for a potential lover, then you will get a guaranteed egg laid. So yeah, without further ado, yeah. That is pornographic. So if you leave the soy and egg together for like 2 hours, the flavour of soy is just a little bit of a whisper, but like 6 hours plus, it's deep, it's rich, complex. Umami, fudgy, delightful. Yeah, this is really, 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 really fantastic. Yes. Oh, this is so good. This is the end of the most delicious transmission.
I can see why it's sexual.